How to turn on active status on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to turn on active status on Messenger. So let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on this menu icon right here. Once you tap on it, tap on the settings right here. Now scroll down and you will see this privacy and safety. Tap on privacy and safety. You scroll down and you can see the active status option right here. Tap on active status and just toggle this on. Once you do that, your active status will be turned on. That means your friends will be able to see that you are online, and you can also see they are online. As you can see this green circle right here, this means they are active, and this means they can also see that you are active. In this way you can turn on the active status on Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.